Supermarket math. Is it really a deal, or did I just buy 5 bags of chips for no reason?
You just bought 5 bags of chips.
That's my whole example. Did I get got? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a science and math teacher for 20 years. I like to make math fun, engaging, and not so scary for everybody. If you want more practice problems, more information, tutoring sessions, click the link and do the stuff. Here's the sitch. So I was at Kroger the other day, and we needed tortilla chips with a little bit of lime. Needed, because we love them and they're amazing. So we got there. The Kroger brand chips were $2 a bag. I knew I needed at least 2 bags. Then I looked, and those name brand fancy Tostitos hint of lime were $5.49 per bag. I think they're the same size. I'm pretty sure they're both 10 ounces. We're just gonna, for the sake of argument, we're gonna say they're the same size. So I can get 1 Kroger bag. I'm gonna say Kroger brand, 1 at, what did I say, $2? I'm gonna say the Tostitos were 1 at $5.50. Again, I knew I needed 2 bags, but Kroger had a deal where if you bought 2 bags of Tostitos, you got 3 more bags for free. And that included Doritos. Who ever buys name brand Doritos? Times are tough. Inflation. Do I just buy the 2 bags of Kroger brand for $4? Or do I get 5 bags of Tostitos and Doritos mixed? You could mix and match for $11. What would you do? Let me know in the comments. I totally got completely, but we did have Doritos and it was magical. But let's see, was this actually a good deal? I am happy with the choice I made. I bought 2 bags of Tostitos, so $11, right? We're just rounding it up. 2 bags at $11. But I really then got 3 free. So I actually got 5 bags at $11. If I had gotten 5 Kroger brand bags, that would have been about $10. So really, I'm just paying $1 more for Doritos. Cool Ranch Doritos. Pretty good. I'm happy with the choice that I made. Was it a good deal? Sure. I mean, I did buy 5 bags of chips. I'm not proud of it. My 7-year-old was thrilled. I said, oh yeah, you want those Cool Ranch Doritos? Put them in the cart, baby. He was just like, oh, it was the most magical day. Sometimes a deal is not necessarily going to be saving you money. I think it still was a deal because if we break it down, so that means that those bags of Tostitos, which are usually $5.50, if I divide 11 by 5, that means I only paid $2.20 per bag, and they're big bags, per bag of Tostitos and Doritos. I'm happy with it. That's mathed up.
As long as you can sleep at night.
That's true. We just pounded 5 bags of Tostitos and Doritos.